So I've tried dozens of different note-taking apps and finally stopped at Apple Notes because recently it became more powerful than any other note-taking app. For starters, when writing a note, you can paste links as beautiful quotes by clicking a share button and selecting Save to Apple Notes. This is just the first out of 20 more tips and tricks I'm gonna show you in less than 4 minutes. Let's start with turning your messy notes into a digital workspace, more often called as a second brain. Basically, a second brain is an organization system for notes which uses Para method to organize them efficiently. Instead of organizing notes like this, you can turn them into this. So we got 4 folders which are all sorted by actionability. Basically, the most actionable notes like ongoing projects are in the top folder and the least actionable like a read article go in the last folder. The notes folder is a one-stop for new ideas, interesting thoughts, and random stuff you want to save. The projects folder holds your ongoing stuff, like writing a new blog post or ideas you want to implement in the future. You can sort them by deadlines so it's easier to find them. The Areas folder is for all of your ongoing responsibilities, like education notes, health notes, finance notes like taxes, or things you want to buy. In a nutshell, you can use Areas to keep track of anything that is ongoing. Resources is future projects. Basically, it is a place for your inspiration, hobbies, and interesting topics you would like to learn more in the future. Archive is a place for everything that is not actionable, but needs to be stored or reviewed in the future at some point. Finally, number these folders and use emojis to make your folders look so much better. To customize the app even more, you can change the view of your notes, customize toolbar to keep only the things you need there, and lock notes with a password to make security stuff secure again. Also, a great idea is to pin your most used notes you would like to keep at the top for easy access. Finally, if that's not enough, just open up settings and change the sort order, options for creating a new note, text size, and everything else you find useful. Now let's talk about keeping your notes simple and writing them more efficiently. To do that, you can use Apple Intelligence writing tools to keep the grammar mistakes out and even create a summary for your note. Another great thing to do is changing the format of your notes. To do that, simply use the text button at the top. You can change the format of the text, create lists, and even highlight stuff to make your notes truly yours. Finally, it's time to step on the secret territory and learn truly hidden stuff. For starters, you can save audio and videos into your notes for later use, or even record audio yourself with a button in the toolbar, and then use transcript feature to extract plain text from that recording. Another useful feature is hiding note count to keep things simple, or zooming in and out with keyboard shortcuts. There is also integration with iOS devices. For example, when you copy text on your iPhone, you can paste it on your Mac. Or when you edit notes, they will sync automatically using iCloud in seconds. From my experience, it works much better than in apps like Notion. And the last thing which makes Apple Notes stand out the most is the integration with Spotlight Search, which will help you find anything in your notes. In addition to that, when you see the results, press Command plus Spacebar to preview any note you wanted to find right from the search window. If you're interested in more hidden Spotlight features like this one, subscribe to not miss a video about it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.